Hey, what's up guys? Today we'll be unboxing a Sunpak 19-inch bicolor LED ring light kit. So I did pick up this LED circle ring for $109 with taxes. I know that Best Buy usually has these for about $150, but I was able to get the last one. I'm not sure if it was on clearance, but I did get it, and I always wanted one, so it's time to check it out. So right when you open it, it looks like you get a Sunpak bag, and I think it's in there already because there's nothing else in there. So I believe everything is in the bag, and this is probably the stand itself. Let's go ahead and see if we can open it up here. So the reason why I wanted to buy this light is because I currently moved to a bigger apartment, and in downtown Phoenix I live in a really high building, which I technically have nothing but windows. And obviously when I turn like this, and I obviously turn much darker due to the background being much brighter. So that kind of is what happens every single day when I'm on this computer. I'm facing like this and I turn really dark and people can't see me, especially now since everybody's working from home and we're doing a lot of Zoom calls. You're probably wondering, can you show me the view? Yes, I'll show you the view. Not gonna lie, it's pretty nice. Back to the product review. Honestly, it looks a little bit sturdy. I was expecting something a little bit much cheaper, just because, I mean, it is $100, but I mean, definitely sturdy. See how tall we can make this. Well, I thought it was sturdy. This is how it looks. I wouldn't make it any taller or bigger, just because it already looks a little bit flimsy when it's all the way up like that. And now let's go ahead and look at the best part, the lights. Here is the actual LED light. All right, so here is the actual Sunpak LED light, DC 24 volt, and it looks like it's a dimmer and a color temperature. So let's go ahead and try this, because there's obviously nothing else in this bag besides the important stuff. No, not this. Y'all know we don't read that stuff. Oh, this bag actually feels good. So inside the bag you have the connector to the actual camera. You have the AC DC adapter, which is right here. And this is actually for your phone, so you can clamp your phone. Pretty cool, it comes with that. But let's go ahead and see this on. Here's the actual LED light ring turned on. I'm not gonna lie to you guys though. It does feel really flimsy, but it looks really good. You do have the color temperature. So here's all the way down. Here is going into a different color. All the way to the left, all the way to the right. All the way to the left, all the way to the right. So obviously I'm gonna do that. So now it's time to try the product out, using it against the sunlight, because obviously when I'm gonna zoom, this is what they see, right? Super bright on the back, really dark in the front. So I'm gonna test it out. Here's with the light. It honestly looks really dope because the back is still lit up. You can still see the buildings and you can see my face. The only bad part is I do wear glasses, so you can see the rings in my eyes, but honestly it looks cool. Here's with the white light. Here is with the yellow light. Here is half in the middle. Now I really want to test it with a dark room, so I'm gonna go ahead and close all the blinds. Here's with all the blinds turned off. It's obviously really good. There's still a little light coming in, but other than that, I think it works pretty good. overall, I mean, it looks good. Looks like it's gonna last a while. The LEDs, the only thing that's really iffy is where the actual part of the light and the stand connect, and it looks really flimsy. But other than that, I think it would last me about a year or two. We'll find out, but my Zoom calls are about to be lit. Might be perfect for a cell phone, a smaller camera, but once you start getting into bigger cameras, I would definitely think twice about it and seeing if you can get something with a steadier tripod. Other than that, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. Drop me off a comment down below if you have any questions about the product, or if you want to ask me if it's still not broken, or if it's broken, or if it went out, or if it's working. So hopefully this video was helpful. Until next time, thank you for subscribing to IT Tech Support.